In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to set up a focused financial management dashboard right from your workspace overview, so you can track tasks, projects, people, and more in one place. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few practical tips to keep everything clear and organized. Start by opening the overview page in your ClickUp workspace. You can get there from the sidebar. If you work in multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace selector at the top to make sure you're in the right one. The overview is designed to surface high-level insights, which makes it the perfect launch point for a dashboard. On the overview, follow the on-screen highlight and click the indicated control. This highlight points you to the quick way to spin up a dashboard without hunting through menus. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry, ClickUp updates often. The highlight will guide you to the correct spot. Next, select Track Tasks, Projects, People, and more. This option opens the Dashboard Creator, which consolidates metrics from across your spaces and lists. Think of it as your command center for performance, workload, and timelines. When prompted to name your dashboard, type Financial Management in the field. Clear, specific names make dashboards easy to find later and help your team understand the dashboard's purpose at a glance. Using a standardized naming format also keeps your workspace tidy as you create more views. Click Create to generate the dashboard. ClickUp will open a fresh canvas where widgets and reports will live. Give it a second to load. Once it's ready, you'll see options for adding content or using pre-built recommendations. Now, click the highlighted area shown on your screen to proceed. This brings up ClickUp's Smart Suggestions, which are tailored to common use cases. It's a quick way to populate your dashboard without starting from scratch. Choose Apply Suggestions. ClickUp will add a curated set of widgets to help you monitor tasks, assignments, and project health related to your financial work. This is just a starting point. You can remove, reorder, or resize widgets later to match your workflow. And you can fine-tune filters to target the exact spaces, folders, or lists that matter. That's it. Your financial management dashboard is live. As you explore, remember that changes save automatically, and you can return to adjust filters or widget settings anytime. If you need a more tabular view of your data, you'll find options within the same dashboard tools when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and follow along step by step to replicate this setup in your own workspace.